In 2016, America chose a leader who promised to put our country first. In 2020, despite unprecedented challenges, he continued to fight for the American people. And now, in 2024, it's time to bring back the vision, the strength, and the leadership of Donald J. Trump. Donald J. Trump says, "Together, we achieved more than anyone thought possible. We revitalized our economy, brought jobs back to America, and stood strong on the world stage." Under President Trump, America experienced unprecedented economic growth. Unemployment reached historic lows, and wages for American workers rose. Our nation's energy independence was secured, making America stronger and more resilient. But the work is not done. Our nation faces new challenges and old adversaries. It's time for a leader who will stand up to China, rebuild our economy, and restore American greatness. President Trump's America First agenda is about putting the interests of American workers, families, and communities at the forefront. It's about securing our borders, supporting our military and law enforcement, and ensuring that every American has the opportunity to achieve their dreams. Donald Trump, voiceover, says, "We will build a future of safety, prosperity, and freedom for all Americans. Together, we will make America great again. Join the movement. Stand with President Trump in 2024. Let's finish what we started and make our nation stronger than ever before. Vote Donald J. Trump for president in 2024. Together we will secure America's future.